I know I'd go back to you.
So sorry, you guys, I got a phone call. Okay, so this first one here, it says "Be You." These owls are so cute. They're like little 3D, yeah, they're 3D stickers. Those are so cute. And then the next one says "You got this." It's got another good little layering square here. Reach for the stars. That is so pretty. Maybe, I bet you it was on like a big, like almost tulle. You know, tulle, am I right, Bridget? Let me know, am I right? Is it tulle? And then this is so cute too. It's like a little envelope type deal. And then I like the way she placed little sequins around every so often. And then some more really adorable. I love them because they look kind of like bohemian in a way, and I super love that a lot. But this one says "Be Yourself." It's got the owls there again, and these center owls are too cute. Look at those. Really pretty stickers. So nice layering. She's got it all popped up with a 3D foam tape. Next one says "Be You." Both of those little owls are sitting on a tree stump. I like the little gold like outlining on the stickers. And then the butterfly, "Be Unique." The middle one says "Hello." And then another butterfly with a really pretty tulle behind it. This is so pretty. Love it. I love the way she used the little ribbon here on the side. Beautiful. I love layered pocket letters. Nobody loves layered pocket letters. I almost said more than me, but like there may be somebody out there that loves layered pocket letters more than me. All right, so let's get to seeing what is in the back. It looks like she included some die cuts. Love me some die cuts. So they're kind of like doilies in a way, but they are like this pretty orange color. She stuck a few more in this one. These are awesome. These will be so fun to work with. And then in this one, she included some little embellishments. It looks like she either used like tissue paper or maybe cupcake liners. It kind of feels like tissue paper. Oh, and they're brads. So this center, it kind of looks like an enamel dot from the front, but it is a brad, and that is what's holding them together. Very crafty. Love those. Cute. Those will be good for like bright summertime or spring projects. Some jimmies. I was just saying on my other video that I'm hopefully gonna post soon, you can never have enough jimmies. I love jimmies, and these are pretty. They're kind of that, I don't even know how you would describe it, but when their reflection goes, they're rainbowy rather than just clear. So that's cute. And then some banners. I love banners because banners are so fun to make paper embellishments out of. So it is always so nice to just have banners. So thank you for those, and she was very generous with those. This is too cute. Look at this. So I think I saw a die for this the other day on the internet. But yeah, it looks like you can just kind of fold that down in there and it becomes a little mini envelope. That's very cute. Yeah, I just saw a die for that online and I thought, I need that. So some more little paper cutouts, some die cuts. Love the glitter. Those are so cute. And more of the orange. Those are so cute. They're like glittery oranges or peaches or something. Very cute. And then I think, are these tags maybe? Yeah, I think these two are tags. That's a cute, unique shape of that one. And then this one has glitter on it too. And it's that glitter that I love I was telling you guys about, because it's super glittery, but it does not come off. I love that. I don't think I know anybody that's like, ooh, glitter, I hope it gets everywhere. I love that. so I don't even know what I'm talking about, but. All right, and then it looks like she included some of this eyelash trim. I love working with this eyelash trim. So pretty. You can see she put it here on the side. And I don't have a whole lot of eyelash trim, so I am all about me some eyelash trim. And this tulle or ribbon that I have been talking about the whole video, she gave me some. Yay, I'm so excited. Can't wait to use it and work with it. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. I could use this with Christmas. I'm gonna stick this in my Christmas stash over here because this would be so perfect to use with Christmas. All right, so it is already over in my Christmas stash. And then she just included a little bow here. It's a like a 3D glitter bow, and it's got the sticker on the bottom. Very cute. And I know you guys were like, hey, you forgot the top one, but I didn't. I was saving it to last because I love me some stamped images a lot. I really love stamped images. So this is too cute. I can't wait to color it. So this is just a little girl. Looks like she's holding what looks like a nail polish bottle. She's all in her jammies. She's got her sleeping mask. It says princess. It's cute. A little mail carrier guy. News. You stamped these really well too. Sometimes it's hard to get a clean stamp. And this is so cute too. Love it. Little girl, she's got her doll there. Love that. All right, so guys, that is everything. Again, this was from my new friend Bridget. Bridget, let me know, do you have a YouTube channel? If you do, I will link it down below. And yeah, so I just love it. I'm glad to have found a new swapping buddy, and this is just gorgeous. I love the stickers that she used. It is so cute. Bridget, I'm so grateful for everything that you sent me. It was so much fun. I hope mine gets to you soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Yours came super fast, so fast. I was not even expecting it today, and I went to my mailbox and it was there. So, all right, guys, as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.